Now, hip hop time. Hips with elbows to the side. Hip, side. Inhale. Repeat. We will use this one faster. Open. Very good. Now, make it faster. Step cross. March. Very good. 4, 3, 2, hip. Step cross. You got it. One more time. Relax your body, relax your elbows. Jump, jump. Step cross. Double tap. Fast march. Jump. Step cross. Double. Fast. One more time. Watch now. Come forward with double and backward fast. Yes. Very good. Double. Fast. Now go to the side, jump. Come back. Now double push. And point, down, open, close, up. You got it? Come on, push. Close, arms. Again. Very good. Come on. Down, side, close, up. This is the last one. Come on. Watch now, new part. Fast lunge. Bounces. Open. Yes. 4, 3, 2. Go. Go. Open. March. One more time. Lunge. Circular arms. Hit. Oh, very good. One more time. Go lunge. Circle. You got it. Are you ready from the top? 4, 3, jump to the side. Step cross. Double push. Arms. Double lunge. Bounces. Circle. Hip. Very good. 4, 3, 2, go to the side. Come on. Woo! Second part. And now stay here. Stay, open march. Slow motion. Touch your foot. Touch, knee up. Switch. Again foot. Yes, relax. 4, 3, 2, repeat. Knee up, switch, and foot. Remember, the alternate touching. One more time. Now, more. Circular arms. Open and down. Again. Very good. Circle, 5 and 6, 7 and faster. Circle. Yeah, very good. One more time. 4, 3, 2, faster. Circle. Okay, are you ready from the top? 4, 3, 2, jump. Step cross. Double. Come back fast. Lunges. Bounces. Circle. Hip. Combination. From the top. Very good. Come on. Out of control. Second part. circle. Last time for everybody. Step cross. Come on. Cross. Lunge. Bounces. Combination. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And pulse.